There are more than 700 named characters in the Harry Potter books, so even some major faces had to be left out of the films due to the time limitations. While most of the characters important to the plot and make repeat appearances throughout the series, there are a few who either merged with the other characters or were left out entirely. About a dozen major characters were left out of the film adaptations, plus several whose roles are diminished. J.K. Rowling builds a complex world in her 7-book series, introducing dozens of characters who are peripheral to the main action. In addition to the throngs of Gryffindors and Slytherins, there are Death Eaters, members of the Order of the Phoenix, Ministry of Magic officials, and a plethora of magical creatures. Some characters only have a scene or two, while others are present throughout the series. So in this video, we're gonna look out for 5 characters of Harry Potter books that never appeared in the Harry Potter movies. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you want to see iconic memes of Harry Potter. Link is in the description. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 1. Peeves. Although there are many ghosts in the Hogwarts castle, including one specifically associated with each house, Peeves the poltergeist is the most omnipresent. The mischief-making ghost can always be counted on to cause trouble for students and teachers alike. Peeves doesn't have an essential role in the plot, but it's a bit odd to see Hogwarts on screen without his screeching presence. Peeves is a thorn in the side of all, taunting students and pulling juvenile pranks. In the first book, he causes trouble for the Golden Trio Harry, Hermione and Ron by alerting caretaker Argus Filch they are breaking curfew. In later books, he spread rumors about Harry being the heir of Slytherin, revealed Sirius Black has infiltrated the castle, and joins Fred and Georgie Weasley in the campaign of terror against Dolores Umbridge. Number 2. Winky. Winky the house elf may not seem like much, but her sporadic appearance in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire put the Golden Trio on the trial to uncovering the truth about the Crouch family. Barty Crouch Jr., the culprit responsible for putting Harry Potter's name in the Goblet of Fire and delivering him to the Voldemort, almost single-handedly orchestrates the Dark Lord's return. By leaving Winky out of the film, the writers gloss over much of Crouch Jr.'s backstory and lessen the mystery surrounding the events of Harry Potter's 4th year. Winky first appeared at the Quidditch World Cup where she fired by Ministry official Barty Crouch Sr., prompting Hermione to take up a crusade for House Elf right with SPEW, the Society for the Promotion of Elfish Welfare. Winky later turns up at Hogwarts, falling into depression and dropping a series of cryptic hints about the Crouches. It's eventually revealed that Winky was tasked with caring for Crouch Jr., a convicted Death Eater who was broken out of Azkaban and kept hidden by his father. Winky's absence in the movie creates a lot of questions about Crouch Jr. and the death of Crouch Sr., which is never fully explained. It also eliminates the somewhat problematic storyline exploring house elf enslavement, which could be good or bad depending on who you ask. Number 3. Ludo Bagman. As the organizer of the Triwizard Tournament, it's pretty strange that retired Quidditch player Ludo Bagman is left out of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. In the novel, Bagman serves as head of magical games and sports, commentating during the Quidditch World Cup and serving as a judge in the Triwizard Tournament. Throughout the contest, Bagman is suspiciously helpful when it's come to Harry, giving him undeserved high score and offering advice. It turns out he's bet a significant amount of money on Harry's victory, and when the result of the tournament are muddled, Bagman is forced to flee to escape his gambling debts. One of the parties to whom he owed money is the Weasley twins, who are deeply annoyed Bagman took off before settling his debt. When Harry learns they wanted to use their winnings to open a joke shop, he doesn't hesitate to turn over his Triwizard prize money, 1,000 gallons, so they can live their dreams. It's a touching moment that's lost in the movie. Bagman is replaced relatively easily in other areas, but his absence kills some of this story's suspense. Number 4. Professor Binns. Professor Binns is another consistent character in Harry Potter whose absence in the films doesn't unduly affect the plot but does make Hogwarts a little less magical. The ghostly history of magical professor is infamous for giving lectures that put students to sleep. His class is often used as a planning period for the Golden Trio, who ignore him unrepeatedly. One significant book moment for Professor Binns comes in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets when Hermione raises her hand to ask him about the titular chamber. Shaken out of his usual monotone routine, Binns proceeds to give an actual lesson on the myth, piquing students' interest for the first time all year. In the movie, this role is assumed by Professor McGonagall. Number 5. Marita Edgecombe. Ravenclaw student Marita Edgecombe may not be the most memorable Harry Potter character, but she has an important role in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. In the movie version, Dumbledore's army is betrayed by Cho Chang, who reveals their whereabouts to Umbridge under the influence of a truth potion. In the books, however, that role falls to Cho Chang's friend Marita Edgecombe. Marita is conflicted from the start of the story and eventually turns over the DA under threat from Umbridge. Marita's betrayal earns her a hex from Hermione's that makes jits erupt on her face, spelling out the word sneak. More importantly, she serves a reminder that, as Dumbledore says, we must all face the choice between what is right and what is easy. So thanks a lot for watching Potterlare. So this was the video about the 5 characters that didn't appear in the movies. I hope you like this video, and the next part of this video is also coming today's evening. So be sure to subscribe if you are new here and press the bell icon so you will get every notification of my video. So stay tuned, and now I will see you on my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.